Sitting under the shade tree with my dog. Well, he decided to move when we went to chase another dog. I take a picture of the tree and I sit up, and right as I sit up, I hear that music start playing. That's fun. Hey, here comes the Mickey dog. Dun, 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 dun. We got an ice cream man that lives in our apartment complex. Convenient, huh? You're telling me you want an ice cream dog? He's like, hey, the ice cream man's out there. Or it might be lady. Oh no, actually I seen a guy head out that way, so yes, it is an ice cream man. This is what we were doing today. Well, part of today. Hanging out underneath the shade tree. Overlooking this field. And these trees. That's back where I live. There's my chair. I was just laying down here. Because laying down on the ground with your feet on the ground, now that's ultimate grounding. There he goes. There goes the ice cream man. Dun, 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 dun. Who wants ice cream? It's a nice little tree to sit under. Oh yeah, that sun trying to peek through. Let's see, where was it? I like catching it through the branches. It looks neat. Right. Yeah, almost hit it. Let's try it through these branches. Oh, that got me in the eyes. There's some cool clouds over there. They look cool. And there goes the ice cream man. Where you little birdies at? Where you at? Where you at? And there's my other tree friend over there. Big old cottonwood tree. I don't know why I say it that way. Probably a movie or Oh Brother, We're Out Thou. I heard Mr. M.E.B. say it like that the other day too. It's funny. He said cottonwood. Anyways, that's our mid-afternoon thing. I live about 5 miles from Lake Erie. We always get just a little bit of clouds and a nice breeze flowing through, between the 4 or 6 area of the day. And it's perfect to sit out under some of these shade trees where I live. Just chillax, man. Just chill out. Hey, there he goes. Here comes the ice cream man. Everybody say hello to the ice cream man. Quick, send me your money. I'll get you some. You gotta love that music. Dun, 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 dun. Look, the dog's coming. Music's even got him excited. Dun, dun. What is that? Is that the ice cream dude? Oh, looks like people lining up. There they are. They're lining up for the ice cream man. This guy has a fan club. Dun, 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 dun. Let's all get some ice cream. Oh, yeah. There he is. Here comes the kids are running. Mr. Ice Cream Man's got fans everywhere. Much love, my friends.